This hotel in Cannes just did something I've never seen before. They took a 113-year-old palace and turned it into what might be the most luxurious experience on the French Riviera. The InterContinental Carlton Cannes isn't just another fancy hotel. It's literally a piece of movie history that you can sleep in. Let me walk you through what makes this place so special, starting with where you'll actually be staying. The room situation here is honestly impressive, and I'm not just talking about the fancy marble bathrooms. They've got 5 different room categories, and each one tells a different story. The classic rooms are the entry level, but don't let that fool you. We're talking about 270 to 320 square feet of pure elegance. These rooms come with everything you'd expect from a luxury hotel: air conditioning that actually works, flat-screen TVs, minibars stocked with premium items, free Wi-Fi that doesn't cut out every 5 minutes, and marble bathrooms with toiletries that probably cost more than most people's grocery bills. What really sets these rooms apart is the attention to detail. We're talking classic French decor with light tones and furnishings that look like they belong in a museum, but somehow still feel comfortable enough to actually live in for a few days. Moving up the ladder, the prestige rooms give you about 375 square feet and some serious bragging rights with sea views looking out over the famous Croisette Boulevard. These rooms add an espresso machines, which might seem small, but when you're paying premium prices, these details matter. The bathrobes and slippers aren't just thrown in as an afterthought. They're the kind of quality you'd want to accidentally pack in your suitcase. The junior suites bump things up to 485 square feet with separate sitting areas, perfect for those who need space to spread out or entertain guests without having to sit on the bed like college students. The Carlton Suite is where things get seriously impressive. 750 to 970 square feet of panoramic sea views and historic decor that makes you feel like you're living in a movie set. The presidential suite is basically an apartment at over 1,600 square feet with multiple bedrooms, private terraces, and butler service that makes you wonder why you ever thought room service was fancy. The dining scene here deserves its own documentary. La Belle Époque restaurant isn't just throwing together some fancy French words on a menu and calling it a day. This place serves Mediterranean and Provençal specialties that actually justify the prices, which is saying something in Cannes. The lobster bisque isn't just soup. It's an experience that makes you understand why people write poetry about food. Their truffle risotto and fresh seafood platters are the kind of dishes that make you take photos before eating, not because you're showing off, but because you genuinely can't believe something can look and taste that good. The restaurant operates with proper French timing, lunch from noon to 2:30 p.m. and dinner from 7 p.m. to 10:30 p.m., so don't show up expecting American-style all-day dining. The dress code ranges from smart casual to formal, which basically means you can't roll up in flip-flops, but you don't need to rent a tuxedo either. The Carlton Bar is where the magic really happens, especially if you're into the whole glamorous Riviera lifestyle. This isn't your typical hotel bar with overpriced drinks and stale peanuts. We're talking signature cocktails that bartenders have actually thought about, champagne that costs more per glass than some people spend on dinner, and bar bites like caviar and foie gras canapes that make you feel like you're living in a different century. The bar stays open from 11 a.m. to 1 a.m., which gives you plenty of time to work up to ordering that expensive champagne. They even have live jazz nights and themed cocktail evenings, because apparently regular drinking isn't entertaining enough for Cannes. Now let's talk about the pool situation, because this is where the hotel really shows off. They've got one outdoor heated swimming pool, but calling it just a pool is like calling the Mona Lisa just a painting. This is a 20-meter infinity pool that overlooks the Mediterranean Sea, making every swim feel like you're about to float right into the horizon. The pool depth varies from 1.2 to 1.8 meters, so you can actually swim laps if you're feeling ambitious, or just float around looking sophisticated. The poolside service means you never have to leave your lounger to get drinks or snacks, and the towel service ensures you're never walking around dripping, but trying to find something to dry off with. The pool operates from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. during season, giving you plenty of time to perfect your poolside lounging technique. But the real crown jewel is the private beach access. The hotel owns about 100 meters of sandy beachfront, which in Cannes is basically like owning a small country. The beach service includes sun loungers, umbrellas, and towel service, so you can spend the entire day without ever having to think about logistics. If you're feeling more active, they can arrange water sports through the concierge. Paddleboarding, jet skiing, and sailing are all available, though you'll pay extra for the privilege. The beach bar means you can stay hydrated and fed without ever leaving the sand, which is exactly what a proper beach vacation should be. The activities at this hotel go way beyond just lying by the pool, though there's nothing wrong with that approach. The fitness center is equipped with proper cardio machines, free weights, and resistance equipment, so you can maintain your workout routine or work off all that French cuisine. The center operates from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m., accommodating both early birds and night owls. Personal training is available if you need someone to motivate you or teach you how to use the fancy equipment without embarrassing yourself. The spa and wellness facilities are where this hotel really justifies its luxury status. The treatment menu includes massages, facials, body scrubs, aromatherapy, and anti-aging treatments that promise to make you look like you've been living the Riviera lifestyle for years. Their signature treatments include the Carlton Riviera massage and Mediterranean sea salt scrub, which sound fancy but actually deliver results. The facilities include a sauna, steam room, and relaxation lounge where you can decompress before or after treatments. The spa operates from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., and booking in advance is highly recommended because apparently everyone wants to be pampered in luxury. This hotel does cater to families, though it's definitely more focused on sophisticated travelers. They offer a seasonal kids club with arts and crafts, games, and supervised activities, which means parents can actually relax while their children are entertained by professionals. The hours vary by season, so you'll need to check when booking if you're traveling with little ones. The hotel also provides family-friendly amenities and special services for younger guests, though this isn't exactly a place where kids will be running wild through the corridors. The location puts you right in the heart of everything worth seeing in Cannes. The Paleta Festivals, where the famous film festival happens, is just half a kilometer away. You can literally walk there in a few minutes. Le Saquet, the old town area with its charming streets and local restaurants, is only 1 kilometer away, perfect for an evening stroll after dinner. If you want to explore beyond Cannes, Île Sainte-Marguerite is 4 kilometers away and accessible by ferry, offering a completely different island experience. Antibes is 12 kilometers away and easily reachable by train or car, giving you access to even more French Riviera culture and history. Looking at this hotel objectively, the strengths are obvious. The location on the Croisette is unbeatable. The historic charm combined with modern luxury creates a unique atmosphere, and the service standards are consistently high. The dining options are genuinely excellent, not just expensive for the sake of being expensive. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. The price point is definitely at the premium end, even for Cannes, and some guests have noted that certain rooms show signs of wear despite recent renovations. During festival season and major events, noise from the street can be an issue, and the high demand means everything needs to be booked well in advance. What really sets the Carlton Cannes apart from its competitors is the combination of authentic Belle Époque architecture with modern amenities. This isn't a hotel trying to create fake history. This building has actually hosted royalty, film stars, and politicians for over a century. The fact that Alfred Hitchcock filmed scenes from To Catch a Thief here isn't just a marketing gimmick, it's proof that this place has been considered special for decades. The distinctive domes and elegant facade make it instantly recognizable, and the recent renovations have enhanced the luxury while preserving the heritage that makes it unique. The hotel does offer event and conference facilities, though these are typically focused on smaller, high-end gatherings rather than large corporate events. The spaces available can accommodate intimate business meetings or special celebrations, all with the same attention to detail and service standards that characterize the rest of the hotel experience. Guest experiences here tend to create lasting memories, particularly during special events like the Cannes Film Festival, when the hotel becomes a hub of celebrity activity. Many guests talk about the exceptional service moments, staff members who remember preferences from previous visits, surprise amenities that appear in rooms, and personalized experiences that go beyond standard luxury hotel offerings. The concierge service consistently receives praise for arranging everything from restaurant reservations at impossible-to-book establishments to private yacht charters and exclusive shopping experiences. After spending time researching this hotel, it's clear that the Carlton Cannes delivers on its promise of luxury and elegance, though it comes with a price tag that reflects its premium positioning in one of Europe's most exclusive destinations. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.